Why cardboards are always brown in color? Why steel ruler has a hole in it? Why there is a button on caps? Do you want to know the answers to all these queries? Let us go learning. Hello everyone and welcome here. Why cardboards are always brown in color? Cardboard is made from paper. Paper is naturally brown because it's made from plant wood, stems, and bark depending on the paper. Even dried white flowers they take on a cardboard brown color. Wood pulp. The base material of cardboard is naturally brown. Dyeing it doesn't add much value but does create extra cost. So manufacturers don't do it that often. Why steel ruler has a hole in it? Steel rulers are mostly used in workshops doing mechanical jobs on various metals. The said hole is there to hang the steel rule on a wall through nail so that it is easiest to locate for the workers. We have often seen a button on the caps, but why is it there? The use of the button is to simply cover the joint point where the panels of the hat meet, often with the same or matching fabric to the cap crown. Some caps do not have a button, but one can argue that a cap actually looks better when the seams are covered. And do you know that there is a specific name for this button? It's called a squatchy. Why is the small plastic at the end of shoelaces? The small plastic at the end of shoelaces is called an aglet. It helps the lace go through the eyelet on shoes so that you can tighten your shoes more easily. The aglet is attached to the shoelace by waxing, which makes it more durable and prevents it from unraveling. The purpose of this small plastic is also to prevent fraying, which can be a problem when you lace up your shoes and tie them. Fraying is nothing but when the ends of the laces they start to fray and get loose from each other. You got yourself a nice good cup of coffee or milk. But why does cream form on milk or tea when it becomes cold? Milk is an emulsion of cream in water. Molecules of cream are dispersed in water. When the milk is left still for a long time at a lower temperature, the system loses its stability and phase separation takes place. Cream, being less dense than water, comes on top. Whereas in the case of tea, the scientists have highlighted that tea leaves contain a compound known as polyphenols, which have a tendency to bond with the calcium carbonate present in tap water. It is due to this that a thin layer appears on the surface of the tea. Your keypad on mobile phones. Have you ever wondered why there are alphabets below the numbers? Well, it is suppose you are on the dial screen and you want to dial the number of David. Try 32849. It will show David's number on top. Notice that 3 lies in the group of DEF, 2 lies in group of ABC and so on. Hence, it's easier to find out. You want to share your tea with your near or dear one. While sharing or pouring the tea abruptly falls off. Why does tea or water stick to cup while pouring? It happens because of the coanda effect, which is a moving stream of fluid when in contact with a curved surface will tend to follow the curvature instead of continuing to move out in a straight line. This happens because the attraction between the surface and the water molecules is stronger than that of the liquid molecules among themselves. That's why the force of gravity acting on water needs to overcome the adhesive forces between the water molecules and the container surface to pull the water away from the container. The best thing to avoid this is to pour the liquid at a speed so that the liquid molecules do not get enough time to bond with the container surface. If you are watching this video till this end, that means you have liked it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Go learning.